Good morning everyone, this is Kruti Shah from Derivative Desk Axis Securities. I brief you about the daily derivative activity. In the yesterday session we have witnessed gap up opening. However, towards the end of the session we have witnessed selling pressure at the higher level. But end of the session Nifty closed in the positive territory. The Nifty future closed at 8520 gaining 0.73%, and at the same time we have witnessed 6.25% decrease in the open interest. That's suggesting majority of the shorts has been covered and a few amount of long as well booked in the intraday sessions. The Nifty future closed with 22 point premium compared to previous session of 24 points. Moving to the FI, there were a buyer of 341 crores in derivative segment. There was seller of 236 crores in index future. There was seller of 344 crores in index option, and there were buyer of 953 crores in stock future. VIX is quoting at 16.50. The ATM call IV is dropped to 14.77, and the put IV is still quoting higher, 18.94. The put call ratio dropped to 0.87 from the level of 1.03 and the single trading session, and the overall PCR is at 0.81. This all data suggests the PCR is in oversold territory and we may expect bounce from the current level. However, we are facing stiff resistance at the higher level, so every bounce will be an exit opportunity. Moving to the Nifty options activity, 8400 and 8300 call has witnessed profit booking. At the same time, 8200, 8300 put has witnessed few amount of long build up. On a higher side, 8800, 8900 witnessed OI build up in terms of the writing. Moving to the stock future activity, Amara Raja Battery, GAIL, CESC and Kotak Bank has witnessed long build up and can trade with a positive bias, whereas Dabur, TCS, Petronet and L&T has witnessed short build up and can trade with a negative bias. That's overall activity into the derivative. Thanks a lot.